hair care for frizzy hair, why it happens and how to fix it. You've tried serums, oils, masks, expensive shampoos, yet your hair feels frizzy the moment it dries. That's because frizz is something you fix from the outside as well as inside. Hi, I'm Dr. Sarkar and you're watching Clinically. Let me explain what's actually happening with frizzy hair. Every strand of your hair has an outer protective layer working like a shield. When that shield is intact and smooth, your hair looks smooth. When that shield is damaged or lifted, moisture from the air gets inside the strand, swells it up, and pushes it out of shape. That's your frizz. It's not a hair type, it's a sign that your hair's natural protection is broken. So why does that shield get damaged? 3 main reasons. First, there is physical damage. Every time you use a flat iron, blow dryer, or curling rod without heat protection, you are burning that outer layer. Rough towel drying does the same thing. It rubs the shield open. Brushing wet hair forces strands apart when they are at their weakest. Over time, the damage accumulates and becomes permanent. Second, hair is thirsty. Now, this is the part most people miss. Frizzy hair isn't hair with too much moisture. It's actually hair that's desperate for moisture. When your hair is dry on the inside, it tries to absorb water from the air around it. That's why frizz explodes on humid or rainy days. Your hair is literally pulling water from the environment because it doesn't have enough of its own. Give your hair adequate moisture from within and it stops reaching out for moisture from outside. And third is harsh washing. Many shampoos contain strong cleaning agents that strip your hair and scalp of their natural oils. Those oils are your hair's first line of defense. Without them, the outer layer has nothing protecting it and frizz becomes inevitable. Washing your hair every single day makes this even worse because your hair never gets a chance to rebuild that oil protection. How do you actually fix this? Talking about a shampoo, we need to switch to a milder formula without harsh stripping agents. Wash 2 to 3 times a week instead of daily. Your hair needs its natural oils to stay protected. Conditioning is the most important step and the most neglected one. A good conditioner smooths that outer protective layer back on the hair strands and seals moisture inside the strand. Apply from the middle of your hair down to the ends and never on the scalp. Leave it for 2 to 3 minutes and do not rush this step. If your frizz is severe, use a deep conditioning mask once a week. It penetrates deeper and repairs more effectively than regular conditioners. How you dry your hair matters more than you think. Use a soft microfiber towel or even an old cotton t-shirt. Gently squeeze the water out and never rub. Rubbing lifts that protective layer right back up and undoes everything that your conditioner just did. For daily protection, you can use a lightweight serum or a leave-in conditioner on damp hair. When your hair is still slightly wet, it absorbs the product much better. This is why damp. This creates a thin layer that keeps the moisture locked in and blocks humidity from entering. And the simplest rule, reduce heat. Every heat tool you use is weakening your hair's natural protection. If you must use them, always apply a heat protectant first. But the less heat your hair faces, the smoother it stays over time. The truth about frizz is that it's not a daily styling problem. It is a long-term care problem. Protect the outer layer, keep the hair hydrated from within, and stop stripping its natural oils. Do that consistently and frizz stops being something that you fight every morning. Subscribe if this makes things easier for you and tell me in the comments below, when does your frizz get the worst?